We are here in Duluth, Georgia, and there's a massive first responder and massive traffic backup. We got a news helicopter circling. We got a lot of first responders. Look what we have here. A train derailment. Build a skater braid. You can just see the mangled mess. They're hovering above. Wow, quite the scene. You can even see right there, they're gonna have to it's fouling both tracks. Hey, were you the conductor that was on this train?
No, the conductor's sitting over there by the engines on the ground.
And where's the engineer?
The engine is that black piece
Yeah.
right up there. There's two separate engines. One of the engines derailed.
How about the other two?
The people or the other engine?
The other engines.
The other engines look fine, but the one that made the impact, it's off the rails and it's hitting the front pretty good.
So what are you, what's your position?
I'm a tow truck driver.
Oh.
I'm here to help clean this up.
Good job. Yeah, they're gonna need your help.
Yeah, we've got trucks on standby now. We're just waiting for the okay to start.
When do you think that will be?
And there's no telling when it comes to stuff like this. When it comes to stuff like this, because essentially the train tracks is owned by Norfolk Federal.
Yeah.
They're a federal company.
Yeah.
The gentleman that pulled up in that Tahoe, we have to wait for the okay from him
Wow.
before anybody does anything.
Wow. What's his job in the Tahoe? Is he the train
He's
master?
one of the guys that oversees anything that deals with train tracks.
Oh, wow.
If it deals with train tracks, like a derailment or anything, it
Yeah.
goes through him. Nobody does a single thing until he says okay.
Wow. Once you guys actually start the cleanup, do you know how long?
It's going to take all day, probably all night, and partially into tomorrow.
Wow.
It's going to take a while.
Wow. Doing good. Are we trapped? No. Yes. So, why do you have to put up this tape?
So nobody can go in. Because a lot of us are over there, a lot of us are over here. We can't have people going in by the cars because if they fall, that's going to be a hazard to everybody else. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I just like to film this stuff, so I just wasn't sure why, but it makes a ton of sense that you don't want people going closer.
But as more and more of the verbal are coming, every project is going to stop.
James.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, I want to get some video of that of the container.
Sure. You are
Parks. Oh, okay, dancing.
Hey, when do you think you're gonna be able to get the line back open?
man, I have no clue.
Is it gonna be more than a day or more than 2 days?
I don't know.
Wow. What was that?
I don't know.
Was that a gunshot?
What's that?
What'd you do?
I ate too many beans.
You eat sausage and peppers again?
That's what I'm saying.
Was that a gunshot?
What's that?
Wow. Ooh. Gwinnett County hazardous materials.
Here, see me or need something, call us. Right, thank you. All right, man. Two.
Did a bad accident.
Yeah.
Do you know if the driver gonna get cited or
Yeah, I might get something.
Or-
I'm not sure this is on the railroad
yeah?
police, so
Yeah.
it's up to them.
Oh,
Yeah, but it's kind of on the side of our jurisdiction.
Oh.
Because it's a federal.
yeah. Hopefully they do cite the driver.
Well, if he doesn't get cited, he'll definitely be at fault. So
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot.
Yeah. Hey James. Hey,
How you doing?
doing good. Are you Tony?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I watch WSB almost every single day. I mean, I watch up to 3 to 6 hours of WSB. I mean, the Channel 2 Action News is one of the best news channels I watch. And you work for WSB?
Yeah.
I love watching your stuff. Did you know that? Are you one of the public information officers
Yeah.
for the Duluth Police or for the Gwinnett County?
Duluth.
Oh, wow. I love watching WSB. It's one of the best news stations out there. So I've seen people going that direction. Are we allowed to go as long as we stay far back, or are those just the are they just the tow truck drivers? Or as long as we
Those
stay,
are Norfolk Southern and tow truck.
so
Yeah.
we can't go past there. Wow, it just ripped up the track. Look at it. Yeah? It's bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do they take jurisdiction? The other guy drove off. Flew off. So I didn't know.
Oh wow! It just right at the grade crossing. You can just see.
What's up, man?
How you doing, man? Good to see you. How you been? We're trying a couple weeks trying to go someplace.
Are you kidding me? Whoa! What is that? That's a mashed up paver. Wow. This is a bad accident. Have there been any fires because of this?
I don't know. I haven't heard yet.
This is a bad accident. Oh, wow. Holy cow. That is... Wow. Norfolk Southern.
Is that the thing it hit?
Yeah. It's a milling machine. Hey. Did Wow. Oh, wow. That's the impact it made. It just destroyed everything. Wow. That paver is mashed up. Bad. Wow, wow, wow. No more of that paver. Look at there. Wow. Quite a mess up.
Yeah.